Ready.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burning down to the ground, you know what I mean? So if for the first time watch your channel, yeah, subscribe, you know what I mean? What them for do differently?
Hit the share button and thumbs up. Share the video to many people as possible so we can get more views and more subscribers.
So we are Billy, this a one king flames, you know what I mean? New
And
actress.
this is Trina.
Trina. Yeah. Trina from
Kingston
City. And with that Negro City, burning down to the ground. Watch a movie, yeah. Tell what you think about it.
Peace out.
Jamaican Studios. Curious King. Give me like a time now. No. Word of advice. Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up. No. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Whoa, you can try again.
Oh, go on, my daughter.
No, said
Your face looks so worried.
I'm tired of down here, man. I think for move, go live with my boyfriend. I'm tired of the oil pan, the banana and the sauce of dumpling. I'm tired of that now.
Yo, no, listen now. See that? You see, if it's stand over blow down the banana walk, we have 2 little banana tree left. And see me, I want over there so you have full leg. So no worry yourself. Is it after certain time?
Man, Daddy, I'm tired of ground food, man.
Watch out.
More and different food.
Look at banana tree come. Look at one there, so. You see, we have enough banana we can sell, so we not eat. Actually, we eat all of the banana. We not get to sell none. You see, we could sell banana too. We could some people would have like money to buy look of fish kind put against it. But no, watch out. See there, we buy a ton of banana ready. They're not ready for once.
Daddy, I'm tired of banana. That me I try to explain to you. I want to move and go live with the boy. I can't
Alright, you see, if you're gone, you're gone. But no come back for no banana though. no come back for none. You go on, but you know, me grow you up big enough and me send you through school with said banana, so you come back on this banana now. But anyway,
Daddy,
if you want to live with a man, you go live with a man. Me not, first thing,
I'm tired of the board house too, you know. I'm tired of everything done so. I just want to go to a new environment.
but listen up, that board house is where you're born. Never you forget your roots and where you come from.
Oh, that's a fan I be a black house I build. When last I see somebody I build a house
But-
these days?
God bless the child that have his own. We have free own board house, my daughter. Me the one when me gone foreign, come here plan to left for you know. You couldn't get the board house. You and your pitney them couldn't come grow at night. Like how me grow you.
So daddy, I go foreign and left me in the board house and I say I go foreign and send me some money for upgrade the house. I say this.
Listen now, when me touch foreign and touch ground, they say foreign is not like Jamaica, you can get things free. You have to go work. So me have a plan for you can do that for a while. If money turn over, we change out the board them into concrete. But for now, me I talk about with Dede. But Dede is the board house. Yes, you might have said 2 pound and rain a fall, that's how it go. You know what I mean? That I found long time days. You know, long day whole night. We not go on top of that roof,
So
go drop off and broke my
patch
backside.
the house top. You
I
know,
will
for
not
when
go on that house top, it's too tall and we cannot pay nobody go up there because them too dear.
Why? So why you not give them
Set
the
the little-
banana and just make them do it?
Listen me,
for the banana?
most of the people them that do them type of work, there is man. Me not give man banana.
Then we take it because you have people who are really in need of it.
Listen, banana make so you say you look young and pretty. Man out of want you at the banana them when you yam.
Daddy, me can't bother.
See
I
banana
love
shine in your face, so your face shine at the island it to use. See all the hair that grow.
And all of the island where you put on the banana and come out on my skin because I'm tired of them there right now.
Well, not be too ungrateful. Banana no do you nothing. No cost banana. You want to go take your man, you go take your man. No play me pan banana. If
And
you
the
want,
banana too, man. Me
no,
tired
a
of it.
plant you want, you go and go take planting. You have my daughter, I can't give you
Leave
planting,
a
you
plant,
go
you
on.
have
You-
just banana.
But
banana
anyway,
for days.
if you have to go, you have to go. When I take, just let me know for you there. You have my daughter, let me know for you there. And if you get pick me, you name the boy after me. Right? You name your first, pick me after me, come your
Suppose I'm
father.
a boy.
If I'm a boy, you name after your ma. Your man no good for nothing. See your man run left me. Now you're alone there, you suffer. Send you to school. You have to take your book to righteous. So you couldn't get one of them scholarship there. You know, take your book good enough. You follow your friend them. See you bore up all nose there. And you know cow. You know cow on your board nose
Me
or
a
something.
young cow. Daddy.
Alright, go on,
Yeah,
calf.
Me
Go
a
on,
go-
calf. But let me know if you're there. I can find you.
Alright, me too.
Yes, so me come in and no problem. You go check your man, go check your man. Cause when me want to look for your mama, you know, you think nobody in my yard could tap me? Cause when your mother call, when your mother body call, me have to go there. Alright, so you come. You go on a road. If you boy lick you, your thump him in seed.
Oh yeah, look for me for. Well, like when people pass and stay upon me, say, you know, what you feel like? So yeah, look for me, so far. Hey girl, come back. You know who me be? You know who me? Put on some girl. Know who me be? Come on, look for a man.
Beat up who? And what you do? Come on, babe. Cause yo, nobody enough to ramp with them. Let me tell you something. Mash up somebody for you. Which one? What's it? Come in. Now I go. It's alright to your place to make somebody come beat you up. Be. Turn up right there, I come. Turn up right there. Yo, me say do something, man.
Oh, come for the penny. That
No,
you do?
man, sorry. I told me on, man. I come to you and some more buy one drinks.
Oh, you take me for? You take sweet some people.
No, man, I'm not fear base, my friend. I come to you and find out if you're good and more buy one drinks. I never could have
Yeah,
bought
move
things.
for us, man. Move for us. Me in a bag of checking. Move
So
up.
you can't be yourself.
Move up.
Alright, respect. You hear my friend?
Move up.
Alright.
Keep walking, no, man.
Big up.
You just keep walking.
Alright.
Yeah.
You say no want to drink?
No, man. Me good, man. Me not take sweets.
Alright.
Me not sweets, girl.
Tell them you do anything here now. Back one somebody here now. Alright. Tell us some ish. You heard that somebody feel nobody can run with it. Come on, babe. No, man, you have to do that, man. Nobody can bad me up, be. No only pass man, yes, me lip down fair, the man. Now that day, me shut a boy a box here, man. No, man, can I go up there and say I want a coward and I know her. You see me, I know her mother. So I go up and shut her a box. No, hold on, baby. I know her mother. Her mother grew me. So I go up and shut her a box. And I realize that I'm calm her down. And so you see me come to you now and tell us if it's easy. You see, next time I come to you, at this one you get. So I tell her. I tell her if I calm. But I know her, babe. Know yourself, man. Come on. I love you and be. Nobody can do nothing, you know, man. Oh, God, man. Yo. I need to ask you, but I'm not even remember. How much money you work last night?
What that have to do with you?
I mean, what that have to do with me? Me and them is supposed to know everything what go on in your life.
You
Come like
you.
ya.
What do you mean by know everything?
So you hide things from me.
That's not your problem.
Sit down right there, so me talk to you. Sit down right there, so. How much money you make last night?
That's not your problem, I say. Come like say now here. Stop touching me. Come on.
Wait, watch it. Sit down over. Yo, sit down.
Come on, come on.
What? We are doing now? Watch it.
Come on, man.
Empress.
Come on.
Yeah, that's stuff. Come on, I'm a bag.
General, yo, when you want listen. When you want come. What? We don't beat too much, general. We don't do them something there.
So if you come and take me one out of yours, you ain't never one pay.
Woman, I can't have the good, you know, beat
Yeah,
them.
come on, man. Come on.
Come on. Hold on, young. We are in the life.
What do you mean by?
You see, man, I want to kill you every time. When I know backs down, I kick down. When I kick down, I slap up.
Why?
You know what time you come to catch water and you only in there tumble down in there.
I can't do better. I cuss off my mother, my father, my auntie, along to my sister them, all of my family for him. So I don't have nowhere for going on.
Teach you something in life. Never you come to family because of our relationship. Because sometimes the relationship better than Titanic. You don't know when you go break free. What you do to your life? You're young.
Well, right now, a long time I want to move up, but I tell them I don't have nowhere to go. I can't just, when I go move up on the roadside,
Well, you have a point, but the thing is, I try to say,
I have to just go and stay underneath them treatment until I can do better.
so out of catch up two zinc in a bush and some coconut leaf round here and some bamboo and make coconut, all them I can make bed. Then,
So wait there, you don't know him? All if me catch up two zinc, him a find this and lick it down. One good layer come kill me now.
you're building near the station. You can't come there.
Police now do them work again, you know. Let me tell you that.
I know that sometimes they can beat and jig, but I don't wrong them because government now pay them good. Because me are the police. I tell you see, every tax ticket, when I write up every driver's ticket, they got 5,000. I say, bad man, hold a seatbelt ticket and give it to
Because no matter how my gas station, all them come complain to him, he still do the same thing. No, you know, like them talk to him serious. Me tired of it now, man.
In life, you know, you can't buy out police, you know, so maybe
So
not.
when me forget money for buy out police and
I
you
know
want
you-
to take from my working money every evening. I eat him and warm me over, you know. Want to know how much me get for my pay. What that concern him?
Well,
my money where me hard work for. What that concerning?
No, really should have hide between them, you know, cause if a man works still, they want to know how much he can get. Me wrong or me right?
Really ask him, you know, but if him up for tell me, you know, but me not go down in him skin. I'm a money him want. You think he want no good from me? I'm money him want from me. And then beat me up when me not want give him.
You know you want to kill it, you know?
What you mean by me want? Me can't do better than me, I tell you.
The money where you are, you could have go look room rent.
I can't look room rent because I want to look at chum change. Just you look at my buy 2 food stuff, I done it done.
You find one landlord with a man, and you just flash it 2 times. You don't have to give him it. If you want to see one tight and you look at camel to turn up, you can get the room instead of put an argument here for you. Which can make you
The
stay.
man that madman, not the landlord, he will come kill him. Me I tell you, you know, him dangerous, you know. That's why me have to go far from him, far, out of different
Every
parish.
time we talk to you, mention him. So you know, the argument done yourself. If you want to go back and kick it down,
Me nah
I say
go back, me just want. You don't know where me can stay. Me can't come stay with you, or you know nobody where me can stay.
stay with who?
No man, me
Stay with who?
can't go back.
I live with a mad woman, you see? Every day everything chop and that mash it. So any relative or any friend they can come to see them and stay. Me I lose my finger in one. You go on. You go on. You see that too. You see that too.
Come here. Where I go? Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir, man, shady. Because you make me have to run through shortcut all dog run out for me.
That's my problem.
Come over here, sir. Me I talk to you.
No problem.
Me say come over here, son. Make me have to come over this for you. And stop on to you, man. Why you always make me have to get angry for you? Which way you go? Come right, sir. Listen, me not come right, sir. Me not like deal with the aggressive. Me come right, sir. Come right, sir.
You no need to know which time I go. I go somewhere I need to go. What you mean by?
What you mean you go somewhere you need to go? Come over here, sir, man. I one place you need to go, and I in a yard.
Stop
so I don't know where you take bag and... Listen me, sir, man. I don't want to thump in your face, you know. So I don't know you come back and take bag and run. You know, so I need money. I cut off all of my friends them because of you. Just to protect you. Because if a boy this I wipe that out for you. Nobody can this once me live in. Because of you make me go and say, you know, say once me not have money, me not happy.
So we are fight me after?
Eh?
We are fight me after then?
Just calm down, Nabi. Me tell you, say anybody ramp with you, me murder that fear.
So when the fat girl that beat me up with you never did say nothing about it?
Which fat girl beat me up? It come like I'm a slapper in your
You
face.
see what me
You see no girl beat me up?
You see what me a talk about?
Yo, low. Which fat girl do it? Me go for this any but when me see I want girl, me so me not bother hurt her. So me just leave her alone. Anyways, babe, this gonna be calm. You know me love you already. And I true me love you make me
You always a do this. You always a pretend and then something.
Come here. You know me love you. I mean I want to do nothing for her, but sometimes I just get me aggressive. I'm really love you. I just like to see you again. I don't like to see nobody around.
And that's what you tell me the last time.
You see when I dip on your phone, you just get me aggressive. I feel like it's another man you do about. So I'm alone for you go unite. No other man no for you go unite. You see me? I just like you, I just gravitate to you.
You have to change them ways there if you really want my back.
I'm not hurt you again. Just believe now me. I say, okay? You know I love you already. I am my Muslim. If you can come back home with me.
Alright, then you come back.
Alright, that's time I have to love you. Come on, now go match the place. Come on. Yeah.
I want to you now. I will make you an app so.
Come here, I want to talk to you.
stress-free.
You know what I just step off my bike door, babe.
So what that have to do with
Help
it?
me rub it up. Okay.
But look at alcohol on it
I
or
just want to find
something.
bike out and road not too long and my friend and care I'm going to the doctor, but the doctor tell me say I go want some money for deal with it because it come like
What you mean by want
crazy.
some money? So why you are telling me that?
what you mean why me I tell you that?
Me I ask
I
why
tell you
that.
some want some money for go a doctor. Yeah, give me talk chat. Eh? You're not business with me health then.
That's not my problem.
What you mean that's your problem? Me you're dead. So you're not business with no foot then.
Me do send you pan by?
What you mean if you send the pan by?
No, me I ask
So if you come here to me and tell me say something deal and me have the money, you think me I go say that to you?
Yes, see me.
Me I go try to help you.
I ask if you see me with no
Well,
money.
anyway, you go get it. You go get it and make sure so me go a doctor today because my foot needs to fix.
Oh, can make me get it now? Make me get it.
Brother, man, you talk to me here. I tell you if you watch a speech on other day, and when you talk to me certain way, I them still make me hurt.
Me
And
not go get no money, that me don't say.
and at that me saying if you go get money, what you do?
You know, see me and key on your face.
No, what you do? No, what you do?
Burning. Why the water drip on my bed?
You mean why you want to pay a bill?
Why this a water drip on my bed? If I don't put it on, you have to you put it on the browning.
So not around you want a jug?
The water jug dirty, girl. I can't put the dirty something on my bed.
So why you come put you want a jug for my bed now?
And from other day, me put on the chingo, man. Come out this sticking in my ear. Me tell you this now. From other day, me have problem with you. I know I'm gonna let out everything. You don't stop wearing me things, them girl. You wear me drawers. You wear me slippers. Me don't know what you wear me
Who wear
clothes.
drawers? Girl, let me tell you something. You wear my drawers and my slippers when me have in here. You remember my slippers?
First thing
Where
first.
they? Me can't find it. So you come and pin down things for me for.
Up to me good comb me just buy. You're gonna use in your fungus head. Tell me now.
Me give you gel. Me give you lipstick. Me give you everything. So if me use one comb, that is none of your problem, right?
You mean by none of my... You didn't ask me feet? You didn't ask me feet?
You have to ask your feet. When
What
you
do you
spray up
mean
my perfume. When you spray up my perfume, then you ask me feet.
When I use my lotion for your body, you ask me feet? You
Look
ever
here.
take me sheet them and I put on your bed? You put my sheet them on your bed and me
I want wash them. I want wash them.
Me buy me fan, me turn me fan pa for me side. Inna me gland there, me wake up fan turn pa you. Where there the fan automatically just spin and go
You're
fan
too
turn pa
mean.
you.
You're too mean because you have a fan and you just stick it off your bed like say me don't want some fan too.
Are you buy there me buy?
Me share everything with you. You're too mean. I want to stingy girl. That's why
Stingy
we
girl?
can't stay here with you.
Then go on. It
It's too late.
It
It's
was
too
up in
late.
one.
Just wait
Just
till
too
month
late.
end come. Wait till month end come and me pay me rent. I left me a live
I know boy, you come out of here. No.
You can't hold me. I give me money to pay my half rent. You
Look
can't
here.
take me from out there.
You can't
Girl,
give
go
back-
sit down.
Girl,
Go
me
sit down,
can't
girl.
give back for your half. Right, and also come out of this. Come out of
Let me tell you something, man.
Come
No.
on.
Come out there, Pam. Let me go. Let me go.
Come out. Come out.
You can't want to warm me up. After
Come, relax. I bought you, me I using a shit, me I
Brother,
shit on you.
Hey, I'm the brother you want to fight. I'm my brother you want to fight.
Relax.
I will use my foot and tap in your
Because
chest.
I
my
use
girl.
my sister thing, them
Yeah,
and what.
I will use my foot and tap in your chest.
Hey.
No matter what you're doing,
Relax.
girl.
step out. You got the power.
Relax.
Brother, you want that girl.
Relax.
I should have shot you, brother.
What would you-
Girl, I know karate.
Oi.
Girl, I know kung fu. Let me go. Girl, I know kung fu. Me, get the real Jamaican kung fu. You know what I mean?
Relax. Hey.
Hey.
Still where they say, no man, still where they say.
You're the girl that know me, you man.
Me get me things.
This is the thing, man, go on, man.
Come out.
Me already fought ya.
You don't come me and Giselle.
I try to give back money for buy my slippers.
Slippers. Give me back my jars. Give me back my jars. That's my jars. I don't want to jars. Give me back your money for buy my jars. Them girl. Come out of this.
I'm done
That
with
can't buy
cussing.
nothing. You have money.
Oh, go on. Come
Yo.
on. I bought you, me I using a man, me have hard bone, and you just see me a cuss.
Hard bone. I'm going to get hard bone. I'm saying if you're going to yam young something them, I'm going to get hard bone.
We're not
It makes sense to
possible.
come out of my face right
I'm
now.
not possible.
The girl I use my things them, brother.
You don't know that already.
She,
A long time
she wear
friend.
me drawers. She wear me slippers. Me don't know what else me have how she not use. Nighttime,
You know that already.
nighttime put the fan on me. Imagine, you know, me wake up my heart. Only if you see the fan turn on the girl. Make sense she just rotate the
If you
fan.
don't buy her a fan, then
Who fi buy her a fan? She fi buy her own a fan. She fi buy her own a
say
fan.
she not do that. That's what she
No, me
said
I'll
a
try
long
and
time.
get a new roommate because the girl them.
And
Me
that's
only
what
hope
you do.
say
And start the
any
problem.
other roommate me I get. You still like the girl them.
Instead of get up every day and the cuss. You know worth it.
See there, I'm the lotion. Me not use it to some lotion weird on yourself. So you can't see marking, right? Right, that's how you do.
Although,
Right, that's so.
listen.
You come like say look up here the cup back to share a drink out. And me carry the baby come over here. Look funny.
Roommate, make sure this not happen again. Make sure you set some rules set. Few things are fear. Don't show if you want some of this, you ask me. Don't this, right?
You can't go on to. Me start on your case now. You can't go on to,
Me just
man.
tell you to set.
No, me know so me go set my rules and you can't go on to. Me go make a video,
Me never
put on
come in
TikTok. If I ever come in
This
and get
last
you
time,
get
make
in
she
a
did.
this.
I'm
If
beating,
I
she beat
thank you for thank you say you come in here cat a dead girl that. You don't see that is everybody are rolling. Go on.
Make sure you say.
Go on. Go on. No let me do it. Go on. I'll make a video. Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm looking at a roommate. Has to be a girl, no boys. So I just need you guys to contact the number that you see on the screen. So me not need none of the man them for you to take my number off of this year and contact me because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, I go look man long time. But me not look no man, I need a roommate and make sure it's on a serious, no joke thing. You see me? So just contact the number up here and text me or call me and you guys will get further information on where I'm located and so far. So just contact the number, guys. Is that the video?
I can't go up on TikTok, go watch every video, you know.
Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm looking at a roommate. Has to be a girl, no boys. So I just need you guys to contact the number that you see on the screen. So me not need none of the man them for you to take my number off of this year and contact me because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, so me not need none of the man them for you to take my number off of this year and contact me because I found a waste of time. If I
The same girl who I call you.
Oh, hello. Yeah, the person they come, right?
Yeah.
Come in. No, really what you miss because contact because I found a waste of time. If a man me did a look, I go look man long time. But me not look no man, I need a roommate and make sure it's on a serious, no joke thing. You see me? So just contact the number up here and text me or call me and you guys will get further information on where I'm located and so just contact the number, guys.
What? This sound good, man. See if I can call her then. Ask her some more questions. Hello?
Who is this?
I saw you on TikTok and you said I'm supposed to, yeah, you need a serious roommate and stuff.
Okay.
So I am interested, but I would like to know where you locate and stuff.
Alright, so just text me on WhatsApp and I will send you a further location. So what's your name
My name is Trina,
and your age?
20.
Alright, perfect. So just text me on WhatsApp and we'll continue from there.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
What? So an interesting texture.
Who is that? Oh, yeah, the person come, right?
Yeah.
Alright, come here. I'm not really watching mess because the last roommate we did there here, she leave today and
That's
she
all-
leave in a mess. So.
That's alright, man.
Alright, so basically, what we are talking about over the phone now, we can continue so you can, I can sit down. So sit down right here. So. Alright, so, and today I'm moving, right?
Yeah. Today.
So you not bring no bag or no clothes or
I'm
anything?
outside.
Out.
I just run away from one boy I had in between me and him. I left everything down there. Cause be a beat him, I beat me up.
Oh.
30.
Oh, so you have money for you and everything, right? Like you pay your rent, half of the rent.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff.
man. Me have money.
Alright then, so the rules I know over there so gonna be yours, over here gonna be mine. One fan the year which my fan. So if I want to buy a next fan, no problem, but if I want to share it with you, I can. I also have AC, but if I run the AC, you know, so the current bill I go sky high. And the TV now, both of we see and we have the small fridge right there, so
Yeah.
between the two of we and stuff. So over here, so your quarters, over here, so my quarters. So your stuff then are supposed to reach over here, so.
So me have to go pay you no money or nothing like that or
Yeah, me, I'll give the money.
how much money?
Alright, so basically 25.
25 every month.
Alright, so.
So you could have cut it down like give me a little discount. Remember the situation when me a come outside now. Give me a little discount, man.
To tell you the truth, if me go give you a discount, it will affect me as well. Because if me go give you a discount, I go pay most of the money. For example, 50 grand if you pay, right? If me go give you 20, me go pay 30. With some say 25. So they say it all day. Because I don't want to pay above. Unless, if me I go pay the whole 30 and you pay 20, you can go use the fridge, you can go use the fan or the TV.
Alright. Where so I'm get most things in my comfort. Reasonable.
Alright, so back to what me did say. Now we save your quarters and I save my quarters. I make your things then come over here so cause it you know.
Yeah, mix up on them something there.
Alright, so.
So what me if me carry like one little booby? How that I go work? Or you know make other people come in like the whole soul.
Better if me not there, but if me there here now, you have to show respect or you got the booby yard. Or you got a bathroom or run a back or something like that. Or me can give you the personal space. At times, me not gonna say all the time, me not promise you that. For sure. So all of that me I try to say straight. Alright, so all of that me I try to say straight. So let me say over here, so yours.
Yeah.
Things always be clean.
I know that's your fault, man.
Alright, so I take down
Yeah, one
something
girl
else.
get clean and nasty.
So the mirror, the girl, something them. The girl already there here at first, or things them. So I just put it somewhere. Don't even know if I can put there something, trust me.
Let's put everything.
May I put them right here so
Yeah.
until further notice or so. I'm just scared to get that so they should care. Alright, so here's the yours, that's all mine.
Alright.
Your quarters, this is my quarters.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, so next thing again, we need to show you the bathroom and some other stuff. So follow me. Here's the bathroom.
I want a long story that part this thing.
Okay. So.
Alright, give me a minute then, this one come.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, the story in a minute time now. Tell me the story now.
Why? You know I said I did live with a little man and
Oh.
him a want abuse her. Every minute he want come put him hand on me and lick it. And the man don't know how much money me work and want go in my bag every evening and all of that.
So yeah, but wait.
You know, you just get comfortable with it.
Bye, love. So, You left him now?
Yeah, some of them must left somebody like that. I don't want no more man who come like him. I don't want nobody
Well,
else
me
to
that
stay
very,
like.
very nice youth.
Me not
Take
sure
care
of that,
man.
but I know how you stay
Me
now. I
too.
just see you.
Me take care of man with you. I want you.
Yeah, but I do
Some
good with
bear
them
with you.
clothes.
I'm buy one bug juice.
Alright. Bug juice better than water.
Yeah, buy one bug juice and you cool them. So when you come yesterday,
Yeah man, yesterday I come in at the evening. I see the video with the sister on TikTok. I said she want one new room yet.
oh,
So I call her and make the link and so comes me down here now.
oh. So like when you're there, you know, I look man if you like massage your body.
No,
and comfort
no.
when your sister gone.
No. I run out of a relationship. I don't want to run in our next and I'm not fear run like me and Ilian Thompson.
When I see every man is not the same. Me different.
Me not sure of that, you know.
You
Me
can't
not
have
sure of
sister.
that.
You different. Look on skin. The first woman skin looks so different. Me
Your
that
skin
different.
have to do with me. What kind of skin you have?
Me have key light skin. Them skin are rare. Yeah.
First me hear about the skin like
That's
so
for sure I'm
interesting.
different.
Oh,
You ever see a man wear two shirts?
no, Alien alone we see do them something there.
You ever see a man give $50?
No,
Exactly. Different.
true.
They're different you.
true, man.
Them man they're different. They're different you from them. See now you can't give me a chance.
no, more.
Just give me one chance and show yourself different.
No, I'm not sure if I go do the same thing. More stay single right now. I'm not in a no. Run out of the
Yeah,
relationship
fear it.
to run from out of the one year to the one day to the one year to the
To the one day, to the one day. Alright, me come back. Rise and shine, man. You
I
wash
will
sheet.
be that way.
You don't wash sheet, man. Sorry, man.
You will look at one Louis Vuitton sheet there once I work.
Yeah, wash your me, the wash you.
I see machine with clothes wash it. So nice to meet that one, yeah?
What
Just
every
think
time-
more of me tell her.
What
Just
every
think more
time
of
when
me.
you just have
Hopefully you got you my brain again.
Alright, just think about it, yeah?
Hopefully you got you my brain.
Alright.
And next time when you come in here, please knock.
You
Not
think
before
I
you
am
come
alone
in.
there?
Even if I'm here alone there, me can be naked too. Not before you come in. Go
So
on.
I am my sister.
Yeah, me and sister, go on. Go on. You feel like too much tough chat now, man. Jeez. Nobody watch that, so me brother, you know? Me ain't even
I
roll.
want to ask you a question. So, your brother one good person?
My brother is like him?
Yeah, like as in relationship wise with him woman and like him lick woman
Oh.
and them things.
No, not like that. My brother good, but I can't swear for him.
And nobody pick up,
100%.
nobody pick up him because of your brother, you know.
Look here, me's a personality, me not pick up for people. If I want good boy, me I tell her. If he never good, me I tell her say no good. I want good boy, and my brother that. You see me?
I just want to know if I'm a one good boy, because I'm not in a run up and down thing.
Oh, I want good boy, man. I can't trust him.
So you think we should have talked to him?
Well, it's up to you. Me not tell us if I go do it. And so, me not promise us no man loyal no, but him, me know say, based on my sister far, he loyal. So, you can give him a chance, man, if you feel like give him a chance. Me not rush, I go tell us if you wait, cause if I'm not
Me,
about to rush,
you know, me I go maybe give him a chance, but me I go and watch him. You know, me I go think about it. Maybe give him a chance.
Alright.
But me there I want to go on the road, still go look work.
Oh, so, I'm going to look about something in the kitchen, but I'm not sure.
Oh, where you go cook though?
Take me look about chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, with rice.
What type? Curry brown stew? What?
Prawn stew. Can't buy the curry, you know. You want some?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, you go for the road then.
Alright,
Go on,
later.
then. Push in your money, manager food.
Lucky door tighty.
May I come out?
Girl, you cut man.
Yes. see I do
You look tired, man.
I'm just gonna cook or something. Just do those off.
Like, you know, so I get one look working at the town door.
Okay.
I look on cashier work and thing.
Oh, cashier.
Yeah, now I look at supermarket.
Well, that's nice, you know, because at least after the job them, you can go and maintain, you can pay rent and them stuff there and buy the food
And
or
I mean,
so.
I'm grateful for get the look work, man.
Yeah, good something.
So
When you gonna start?
them say for come tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah.
And them a pay good, right?
Yeah, them happy I'm a good man.
As long as them a pay good, so you can pay rent a month time because I'm so like joking thing.
Them a give me 15,000 a week.
15,000 a week.
Yeah.
Well, that good then. 15,000 a week, good. Yeah, 15,000 a week, good.
Yeah, I made I forgot to go look at come and I just want to sit down and I glow up my time. I know I not do nothing wrong. Because you know me have to have money and things. You know me have to have money and things.
Well, yeah, that's the most. But as me I say, you know, I cook the food and then the pots, you can go share it out for hot up back over. You can go do that.
Alright, me do that.
Next time, I mix some drinks in the fridge. You can take some if you feel. Just feel free to take. We don't want it in the kitchen.
Alright.
Yeah. But you know how me just I just eat and kitchen you already, so just this way.
When my period come, I have to treat you good.
Yeah man, cook to the supermarket and stuff. Yeah. Whew.
Glad they give me a chance, you understand me? I tell the truth, me and I like the other man. Me know
show
this.
me progress and
Yeah,
stuff.
it take a work out, me I tell you honest truth, yeah?
The sun hot, no?
Yeah, man. Me buy an umbrella so if sun not burn you again. Yeah?
Alright.
Them things, me soon start take care of you. The first time me really deal with your bad figure, $50. So me just get a test, you understand?
It better
See if you
than
really-
nothing, because some girl not get no on you know,
Exactly.
like.
So, them type of loving them want to show you.
Yeah.
You have money, you know, but them type of loving them want to show you.
I know I say I have money, man. Because I'm your sister.
You have money, you know, but you want to show you the real type of love. You want to say, if you struggle, you go back a zero, you can struggle with me now, or less because I am money. That's why I'm the year $50. You understand?
Nothing wrong with that.
But if you say you're cool and you're alright with everything, you really make me stress you. And you know, say this, I'll go a long
Me
way.
have a nice girl, you know.
No, say you're a nice girl. You're nice, your shape good, everything. Everything is boy, you're nice. You understand?
Yeah.
Only cooking part now, I'm going to text you yet. No, you
You
can
don't have
cook
to worry about that part then.
Alright, just sit
Yeah,
so.
chef.
Nah, worry about the part there. But we can cook those two little things myself too. You understand?
Yeah.
But not really much, not really in depth in it. But we can do one and two things myself. You understand? Whatever you do.
Maybe a sister.
Yeah, we can get a burger thing. Get something.
That would have been good.
You like that?
What one?
Yeah, go and leave something on the laptop.
You're going to go lie down there, what? No?
Yeah, go maybe PM.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, look on so.
Oi. Let me tell you something now. She a my new roommate. I mean, want you hurt the girl. Same like how you do to your ex. You beat the girl so she have to go to hospital and doctor every second. No deal with her so because I need somebody to stay here to help me with the bills them. I don't want you to ruin it. Because we crash your plane. No, remember me tell you that. Me curb her mind if not there with you. If I done the games and you are going to play with her. Make sure, say take care of the girl
Listen
and
to me.
don't go chat about no, listen me. Listen me. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Because as I said the last time, you hurt the other girl. I don't want to hurt this one. Yeah. She seems like a nice girl and she'll keep the place tidy and she do as me say, so make it stay there so and not hurt the girl. You see how it a flow now between the two of you? Some want if it flow. You see me? So know your grounds and deal with the girl good.
Something wrong with it? Me just go meet the girl that come from work. I mean, woman, me different from the night past. Me change now, so I don't know what you talk about.
It makes sense.
Mother backside down already. Me the same person night past. Me change. You understand?
Look here, let me say something to you. You chat boy with a backside a long time. Remember say your friend the girl them first before they see your true colours. Are you that? So nobody feel like you can friend her now and then show her your true colours after. No do that. That's not nice. Yeah, my brother, I'm gonna tell her the right thing. Me not tell her nothing wrong. More something good for you and more something good for her. So you just, as me said before, deal with the girl good. You say it's a changed person, more if you see that. I don't want nobody to come to me no complain because what? I'm in a relationship fixer. Because the last time, if you meet them then on a problem, then I mean go on that ship and I don't want.
You know, hear nothing about this relationship.
It makes sense to come out and
So
be
just
fixer, man.
excuse yourself from it. You
Oh,
understand?
for
It's a go on good and now, so just.
Mr. Star,
Let's
let me
see
tell
this.
you this now. No, I mean, come on the face. Come on, chat
Let's
with
see
me.
this,
Excuse
so-
for yourself. You come and come see me. Excuse. This is a shame.
That's no reason.
It's like a black boy, man. You damn papaya tree. Go on in the sun. Disgusting. Disrespectful. Right.
Yeah, blessed evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Trina there?
Trina?
Yeah.
Yeah, who you be to her?
I'm her daddy.
Her father. So, I don't hear she talk about she cause of all of she family, my mother, father, auntie, grandma, everybody. So, how you can look here now? You
Yeah,
know,
you
good
see, you
vibes?
see, you
Come,
see.
I really want the vibes at my place.
No. Listen me now. That come out of me. Back. Go in her mother. Me not tell her where you going her mother where. But she come back out her mother. Me not tell her where she come back out her mother. And me not tell her pass it on 9 months in her. But me wash her face in there. So her face look like a female. And me pitney. So no matter what in cuss and ring up in face. The two men there are foreign. Me just come back. Right? So me land in her place and now so my tell me say yes she there. So I come to go and get her talk and then go back. I'm not in Jamaica too long. Don't get too hot, man. I got to leave, right? Where's she there?
Alright. Trina,
Yeah.
your father is here for you. To you. I said for you.
Like the man.
Alright. Sorry for me. Where name?
Brittany.
Alright. Yeah, well, I'm fire.
Sit in there, so alright.
Alright.
So that's how clean up back in there. Come see your badging with slippers.
Yeah, I know what the crap food.
What one, daddy?
Long to see you, you know, my daughter. Long to see you, man.
Long to see you too.
How you do?
You know.
I bet you still not eat.
May I take the hard life easy?
What?
What I mean by me eat regular?
Yes, for your gas.
You say if I did I send my money often,
No, because you cost me off. Man.
so that not give you no right for not to ever check up on me and say you're good
No,
otherwise.
you know, sir, I went to a meeting with some people and I see them with them family and I just looking to myself and say, you know, so I really have to reach out back to my daughter. But me the plan to cut you off fully, you know, because through you got on your head, not them time that the me say you left the boy now and you run away to the
You
different
know,
place.
sometimes you have to yam and a pumpkin. So we are deal with though.
Well, just fly in a place and I chip out back with some more farm work and I work for a business. When a business there fully flourish, I want to put your name in it, that means you can call say, your mother, I don't really trust her fully. Because I'm going to go foreign and I come back, the mark move from my left it. But I don't feel conversation.
So you and I still them and I think on left.
Listen me, you see man and woman never left until then dead. If they don't see each other, even have a new man or whatever, they still have a connection. For them when go there, they still can't go there again. Because they call the whole fire stick. And this a fire stick here already.
I don't want you about no fire stick. Like.
No, listen to me, teach me something. But same way, since you're on the topic, you see that boy, Whether you block your future traffic and block you from having things in a hurt.
Nobody go there, so now, daddy. Me no want to hear about him.
You know about him, but you had him there again, still I left him for sure.
I left him for good this time.
Alright, so what going on do? Me say rent you pay?
Yeah, rent me I pay 25k a week, a month.
A month. Alright. You better go link back and now. So what you do? You go give them my number, make me just pay a fee for 1 year for you. Unless you will look at change, you can buy yourself one soft drinks and give your friend a frat and fight up, right?
Alright, me
Alright.
do that, yeah man.
But you go on now. But then I play so 2 days if you want to come up I will tell me when I did them, alright? But me go I'm not sure me a date. Come here, promise a property for buy. It's not a business, man.
Oh yeah, buy a piece of
Property out here.
Oh.
Yeah man, so
So what kind of business you have planned to
I'm not
start?
sure yet, but I just want to have the land first.
Oh.
So if me have the land, I know so if I put one business on one side of it, at least we could have put one business on the next side for you. Anything you want to do. As long as I don't go club.
No, say you know, say that nine our blood.
Yeah man, so we go line up that because one thing me I tell you, when you come out, you know, tell your mother the first time look at me say, yes,
Daddy, me not know that.
this is an angel. We know. You said this is an angel.
Daddy always a come with them one bag of story.
We know. I did have great plans for you. Till man and the kid na board enough. So we lose that for you, not the first lap. But you
Yeah,
know,
I know everybody make them mistakes.
Listen,
So
no,
nobody
me no-
come use it back against you.
no, listen, man. Me not blame about your mistake. I make mistake already. I make a lot of mistakes that I don't worry about, right? So me not say this and say that, but me I say to you, say, please stay upon the straight and narrow. Anyway, me now full of database story.
Yeah, nobody come here
All
with
right.
the story because all I'm gonna see me here and check up on me and come here with
I check up on you, but you know what I'm check up on you. Me send people come watch and just say, alright. If I want to make a do, if you sit here, you choose your man. Me not involve my man to hurt your man. It's about your man. But if I want stranger do nothing,
I
I hear about
process
it.
that. Me don't want to hear nothing about that.
But you're good otherwise on that door.
Yeah, man, me there take the rough life easy.
Well, we have to rough it before we start make money. So likewise you chip no far from black. I see your mother have to rough it too.
Alright.
I go club beat your mother, you know, me never tell you.
Oh, Jesus.
I buy 1 pound for the man you come.
So
Can't
that
come
means to me a mistake then? Would never
I
plan
told you that I make a lot of mistakes and you were one of them, but when you come out I said this is an angel.
Me and me, that's why I stay. So you see, that's why I make so much mistake and me did a mistake in the first place.
But-
you can't blame me, you know.
But I know you is the only one is a mistake. Majority of Jamaican pitney come upon a time we probably never planned for.
Daddy, go on.
We
go
are
on.
poor
Me
people.
Daddy, go on, just go on now. Me can't take the long story with you.
Look how long it is. See that's one I think you know. I mean cut you off, you know. You see you're impatient and you know grateful or grateful. You know see your father how long and the first thing you say,
No, man, if you come back and tell me, say, yo, daughter, me saving a one little bank account to the bank here, you can join anytime you want. You come back here and give me one little chum change and now tell me one long story now. Come
Yes.
on, daddy,
Alright.
better, man.
I'm tell you one thing now. Me know so that if you want, you know. You do want me give you one card for your swipe it. And when wait now. Wait, silent. I can pay for your silence. Wait. You see what you want? You want me give you one card? You swipe it and then look at boy then hold them back to consider and take the card for you and get the pin number. Me not really wait. Me buy the piece of land, give you a business money. So if it a run down, we can help you up. Me not give my money so. Young one, you alright? You have a job? Yeah. You alright? Young one, you have a job?
You don't even know about that, no, sir. I tell you this, come and chat about. Me cut my ears and see a chat about how give your friend pan. You give your friend, you could frat up it up. What you mean by kind of
No man, a country, that's how we talk. That's how we talk country. So you buy one case, we call.
Just because you're a trainer father, but don't disrespect you and a rasta, it makes sense to go on.
Me full of disrespect.
This
This one not known to me. Boy, you must know. Listen, calm down, young one. You can't be so. You never cock your ears.
All one.
Don't cock your ears.
And you come like come for disrespect.
Me nah disrespect you.
You don't have no manners, Rasta. You know your limit, Rasta. Go on.
Alright.
Go on, man.
You see your face bend up?
Yeah, make it stay, Ben up.
Because I can't have problem.
Yeah, they have no problem. We are one of them too.
Listen to me. I have some daughter bigger than she, they will come chase you off. Me tell them
Chase
here.
me off.
War.
Carry them come.
War.
No manners, man. What to take back foot in this here, you see. Take back foot in this. That's what thing say.
Alright, yeah, bro. I go come look for one of them there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything alright and something. You know, I'm not have enough money, but you have to send me a piece of money or that do me good. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah, Tony. Alright. Yeah, Tony, me get back to you, man. Alright.
Who you talk to?
Me talk to my brother.
You don't let me there right I do it. Who you talk to? Who you
So we are jack me up so far.
Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Who you doing now?
Jesus!
Who you doing? Who you doing here? Who you doing?
No, my brother, me attack.
Push me down. Push it. No, what you are doing, girl?
Give me this.
No, what you are doing?
Tell us some,
Yeah?
my brother, me
Which
attack.
brother that?
Yeah, them some, you don't know that one down.
Eh?
Oh, you gonna know him, eh?
Yo. No, what you are doing here?
Move from
Come in fist. No boxing in your face. Come back here, sir. You laugh like you take me thing for joke thing. Eh? You take me thing for joke
when
thing.
you ask like
No,
this,
you are
you
doing.
drop on your face. Yeah, go on and
Oh, what that shit is, sir?
what that have to do with me? And your sister place and your sister supposed to know about the fridge. Yeah, that fuck up. Mother. Move from after me.
What they go on and say? How happened to you?
Your brother just told me in my face and fight me.
My brother? How come you know my brother is the type of person that... Which party in there?
No,
Oi! Oh. What kind of style that youth? After me tell me take care right, girl? You promise me say you change. You tell me say you change. And you beat up a girl. Hello, come in here, so.
Let me tell you, sir.
Look here, me not want you to sell it out to me.
Low relationship, no man.
Low out what?
Relationship.
If I look here, see how you not gonna make no tenant stay here. And me not gonna make say how you. Yeah, my brother, but me not gonna make say how you not make me not no tenant here. If you help me pay me rent. Let me chat loud and clear now. What you saying to you?
told me in
Yo,
my face and
go on now.
No, shut up. I like that. Touch her when me there now. No, touch her when time me there now. Yeah. No, touch her. Me want to see you put your hand on her when me there now. Yeah.
Sister.
Look up, point your hand in my face. Me fist you in your mouth. You don't do that. Don't do that. Sit down back. Hey, you tell like you don't know
No,
me.
you are doing.
No, me I
No,
do. Talk when do you? When do you?
You lick my head in
I
the
come
wall
like you
and
don't
come
know who
to
you are
my
talking.
belly.
I don't know about it. You should have taken some cloth in my head with the head of sense.
You need that strong woman, I couldn't manage it.
You tell when I go there so sit down on a ball. You take some lick him in the head with the knock
They
him
go
out.
and put for it.
Shut up when time
No,
me
you
they
are
chat.
saying no. No, you are
What you
saying.
mean by no me? I say me a woman and me not gonna make my brother there say abuse no woman. Remember me tell you that. Because me not gonna like me say me there to say one man abuse me. Which no man can rap by the way that me I try tell you. You see you're not gonna have no good woman in your life if I say they go on.
More relation. I feel relationship.
Come out of my room. room
I
then.
feel relationship.
I know my relationship, but I'm my room. This so come out of my
We
room.
go anywhere we want.
Out.
That way.
Come out. You know what? Get up. Get up. You get too bright
We
and
go
rank and
anywhere we
nothing.
want.
No, get up.
Anywhere we go.
Come out now, man. Come and do a wide open. Come out. Out. You let me get grimy in this
See,
thing,
next
man.
time this happen, no way you get worse than this.
Worse than this. I must one time I did the car. Can't one time I did
let's
it.
start.
Shut up your mouth and come out of this. I want to step back from the room again anyway. See what going in this. Girl, I can't make man a deal with you, so. You fi stand up for your right, I can't make man a deal with you like this. Could you? Yeah, could always when up on the head would take you and knock him out with you if you have sense.
Strong, me couldn't do nothing.
He must stronger the time. We take gone out there so gone ball. That could have full of jam. Take out that and lick him in the head with it. Matter of fact, you see if a them here problem there not having a relationship, it makes sense to end it. You not done a relationship right there, so because me can't bother with it. And in my place, everything will take place. It makes sense to end a relationship, man. Me can't take them a foolishness in my place. Them a type of things you have to go on in my place.
But you did that thing about say your brother didn't even fight woman either.
Big, that's the point. Me don't know I'm the type of person there. Me frightened one time I tell me say licky and one bag of something. Girl, I need to know your words. Tell him say done. Cause he say for this year go on, trust me. Me not gonna tolerate them a slap me say in my place. I mean I tell her plain and straight. This a straightforward person. Me not tolerate them a slap me say. Say for this type of relationship I want, nobody had that type of relationship in here. You see, if you want the type of relationship I want in here, so carry out a road with the relationship, but not in this place here. You hear? You hear me, sir, right? Okay. So deal with that thing, man. If you're gonna left him, you left him. But if you're not left him, it makes sense to carry a relationship out a road. One time we're not ready to fight, and fist and top down.
So this is somebody else, please. I said, I'm going to go.
Can't see man.
You see that? See how down go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Nice. I told me get my mad to my time, but you know me really mean nothing, yeah? You know I take me to serious. But I serious.
I one time think that alright, man.
But I serious to the face, man. That man.
Stop, damn place, so.
Punch. I wouldn't just more.
But look at this. God, if you're not busy, come here, they do.
Oh, dear man.
TikTok, look. Best couple ever. Today they cuss, tomorrow they ain't good. Just look on them. Them take me as clown. Yesterday me I fix their relationship. Now tell them like a clown. Look at this. Square. No, no ramp again make TikTok see. Ramp again make TikTok see. Watch it but in my hide face. You can't hide baby love. Could they? Oh my. Look at this. You see, make me like an idiot. Never again me I come fix back on a relationship you know again. Only make me like a fool.
You tell a lower of a relationship and you keep on.
I know, and if you are dead next time, you're going to turn in there and roll in your dead this car me.
I'll pay the mind tell you I'll go later.
No, come out on the problem, here. Come out on
Keep on dinner, nice place. You get the jerk chicken and your bread and then your garlic bread and yeah, you can go there so later if you want.
I think about it, yeah.
Alright, just let me know, yeah? I'll go for the road and come back.
Alright.
You're supposed to be nice, you know? Want to get around 6 of them. Yeah, we have one today.
Yeah, you know my foot size.
Different color when I get them, you know.
Alright, now go use the
This, give me this. I want you to use this. I'm going to town now. I'm going to get a new phone, right?
Alright. I still come back. I use the bathroom now.
Yeah. Exactly that shoe.
Hey, move, don't move. Get up, come here. Sit down here, sir. Tell her this, boy. Put down your hand, because I don't even understand Oh, you move so it move, man. I said, be and there something. You know where you are and put.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ. Babes. Babes.
Yo, don't move. All of you think you can hide for? Eh? You can run up and down
How are you gonna come?
and go anywhere you want to go, but you
How
can't
are you
hide
doing?
from me.
Babes.
What do you mean? Leave him alone, man. He's not dead. He just gone for a second.
I mean
Knock me,
that.
knock him out, man. Listen me now. Oh, you know to me, I can't left. So no matter where you run go,
Me
you
and
still
you.
will find me. But just know for me there, here.
Babes. We are do to him. Babes, we are cutting him. Babes.
I'm gonna go on there, so. What happened to
You
him?
remember last time I had a talk?
How will you do to me, brother, girl?
No, you don't remember that time when you said if you fight me again, me for defend myself and knock him out or something.
Serious, follow me and go do that? No more people come and let me know how happened to you.
Him did that beat me up too much.
Oh no, me not busy about you, you know. Me not busy about you, I'm not busy about you. We not staying on a relationship problem. Because the last time I like a clown, this time I'm like a clown again. I tell myself was here. Anything will happen, it happened. And I tell him before, if something will happen, take you out of my house, not in my house. Hello, what happened to you? I should have bossy boss too.
Yeah, touching it so hard.
I feel your brother and my brother, mom. Are you mad but I'm my brother? What if you touch my brother? Problem? Eh?
Touch him head too hard.
Hello? Hi, hello?
Stop, no man.
You deserve it. You get what you deserve. You deserve it. Are you? You come out here. Good deal.
How you feel? Hmm? I just feel like you just faint or something. Maybe I that yet. How you feel? You want a cup of water?
Yeah, get some water for me.
Alright, I soon come back.
All is said and all is done, you can be yourself, right? And who am I not to be myself? So as we go along, we're working on Jamaican studio. So I will give you an update. We run a video them, see how far we're there. You know what I mean? So give thanks to the people them who contribute towards the making of the studio. So anybody who want them name involved in it, we always have the option to put them name in it. But me know say inside that Jamwood studio now, it gonna be like a little diary. So everybody who contribute towards them, I put down their name in there. You know what I mean? We gonna have like a wall, a support wall. So everybody who support, you know, so MPSG got the on it, because she's one of the main supporter. And we have a couple more supporters, but I don't know if they want the name on it. So if they don't want the name pan it, then go make a name, give me the name pan it, so when them see that name, they then can say Ray. You know what I mean? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Because we have to build ourselves. If we don't build ourselves, we go build it. We can't wait for no other nation to build we have to build ourselves. You know what I mean? So we think this is the move forward. So even in the prison go have right up on the wall, and then we the people are counting on them days them with them there. So that's it. You know what I mean? Because in Jamaica now, I feel like I'm in a prison. You know what I mean? But it's paradise to many who can come visit and go back. But as for me, still, I don't have a visa. You know what I mean? And I don't have this and I don't have that. So we are fight a way out. We not left Jamaica still. We can do what we are doing. You know what I mean? Long as we work and reach out to the world. So that's what we're trying to do. So when a young one say want to a movie star, more on them if you can say yo, they reach out to Jamwood or the whole movie fraternity where we are developing now. You know what I mean? Because there's plenty different upcoming filmmakers now. You know what I mean? So that we want to see till there's a need for the industry really for the year. You know what I mean? So we are look for that, the avenue there where we can put some movie pan too. You know what I mean? Because we have whole heap of movie. If say so, there is other platform out there that are not associated with YouTube. You know what I mean? So even them channel there, we can interact the two of them. So people can know. So we there, so we over here, so we over there, so we two place them, so we can make it bigger. We don't want to have movie on HBO, Cinemax, anyone on big station, them like Royal, BET, MTV, anyone on station, them we can just name it. You know what I mean? Roku. What you call the next click, all of them. You know what I mean? Every station where there's possible, we want to put movie on it. So this is just the groundwork, and what we do here, we do it in such a fast space of time. So it's not a thing where you can't really judge us upon fully, because it's the payment we go through YouTube. You see, if we could have like get 1 million subscribers in Jamaica and we get that strong support, we could have done much more. But with the views them that we get that are limited, it's gonna give you limited resources, because of what you make, you put back in. For my start movie is what I make, I put back into it. Ask anybody about me. Everything that I make, you go back into the movie, and just a survival for the industry to reach very hot. You know what I mean? So sometimes make it look good, make it look pretty, but it's not as pretty as how it look. It's a war. You know what I mean? So who know. But I love doing it still. You know what I mean? Love doing movie. It free the mind, you know what I mean? Because some of the time you can pretend to be a lawyer today, and you can pretend to be a doctor tomorrow, you know what I mean? So that's the good part of movie. You can pretend to be successful, even when you're broke, you can pretend to be rich, like Master Musa. You can act like that for a minute, you know what I mean? So that's it's an escape. So if you out in the world, you know what I mean, or you come out Jamaica, you know, and you can make a link. You know, if you want one of the movie them same speed, you can come pass through. You know what I mean? You always look for extra people, you know, from different places in the world. As you can see on some of the movie them, you see different people from all over the world. You have people from England, America, Canada, you know what I mean? People from the Caribbean for coming too. You know what I mean? Mix up the things. You know what I mean? It's not a big paying gig, you know what I mean? Without making any money like that. But come to your contribution to art development, you know what I mean? It's a developing process. So time to come, money go the inner it. So if you have the links where money the inner, we can do project for that then, no matter which platform there. We have the resources where we can rent to do certain projects. So we can do big budget movie, but we don't have to have the equipment them. Some of them there in Jamaica you can rent. You know what I mean? So if you have a story where you want to see it live and living, you can tell your story and you can sponsor it, you can produce it, you have different options where you can do to be a part of that, you know what I mean? But for now, just continue support, remember, like, share, leave a comment, you know what I mean? Big up everybody in Jamaica, say big up everybody in the world, you know what I mean? All of my fans, them can listen to the street, I say, fire, so I go and burn it down to the ground. Bless up on yourself, you know what I mean? Want to make it possible, you know what I mean? So enough respect, enough gratitude, you know what I mean? So, I look forward to get the 100K. See it? Lightning flash. That means a real thing. We want the 100K by December. You know what I mean? You can do it. Simple. Just send it to your family, send it to your friends, tell them to set up on the campaign 100K. You know what I mean? That's how we are trying to go to for December. That's one good Christmas gift. Big up yourself, burn it down to the ground. Let's go. Watch your part time. Yeah, yes, we're there nice studio now. Yes, we're rich now. Watch it. Burn it down. try pushing and say if you hit good. If it's too long for them. Look like I work with them. Try to say it's too long.
No, man,
Because
good man.
higher. No good man. Check if you length over.
Oh, yeah.
You really can't say you can't touch it. But running on them one day.
Don't watch the mess, guys. I'm working here. I say happy messy.
Oh, the father is here, man.